In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize headers for mobile devices in WordPress. If you're managing a website, you know how important it is to have a site that looks great and functions well on mobile devices. With more and more people browsing from their phones, ensuring your header is visually appealing and user-friendly is crucial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your header's padding and optimize it for mobile users. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the WordPress website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen. For a secure and efficient login experience, I recommend using the Continue with Google option. By choosing this method, you can quickly access your WordPress dashboard without the need to remember another password. After you click it, select the Google account you want to use to manage your WordPress site. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard here. Locate the Quick Links section, which is an area designed to help you easily navigate to key tools. From there, click on Edit Site. This will open up the website editor, where you can access and make changes to your site design. If you manage multiple websites, you'll now see a list of all the sites associated with your account. Simply choose the one you want to work on. After selecting your website, you'll be taken to the site editor. At the top right corner of the editor, you'll notice a laptop icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon represents the display options, and selecting it will allow you to switch between different views of your website. To focus on how your site looks on a phone, choose the Mobile View option. This switch is important because it allows you to see exactly how your site will appear to visitors on mobile devices, ensuring the design works well for smaller screens. Now that you're in the mobile view, find the header area of your website and click on it to activate the editing tools. The header is a key part of your site's design as it often contains your logo, navigation menu, and other important elements. By clicking on it, you'll unlock options that allow you to adjust its appearance. One of the key settings you'll want to adjust is the padding. Padding controls the internal spacing around the content inside the header. For example, it determines how much space surrounds your logo or menu items. By fine-tuning this setting, you can create a balanced and visually appealing design that works well on mobile screens. Take your time here to experiment with the padding values until you achieve the look you're going for. Once you've made the adjustments, it's always a good idea to review your changes while still in the mobile view. This step is essential to ensure that the header looks just the way you want it and provides a great user experience. Remember, a well-designed header can make a significant difference in how visitors perceive and interact with your site. And that's how you customize headers for mobile devices in WordPress. Now your site will look polished and professional, no matter what device your audience is using. If you have any questions or additional tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.